If you've ever bought an air fryer and thought, this thing is huge, and now it just lives on my counter, you're not alone. Or maybe you're cooking for one and your air fryer feels like overkill every single time. That's exactly where the Tixixc 5-in-1 portable glass air fryer comes in, and it's trying to solve both of those problems at once. This is the Tixixc 5-in-1 portable glass air fryer, a 1,500-watt dual-container air fryer that includes both a 4-quart glass bowl for families and a smaller 6-cup glass container for single servings. It's designed for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, RVs, basically anyone who wants air fryer performance without committing to a bulky appliance that hogs space. And after spending real time cooking with it, I have some thoughts. First, let's talk design, because this is not your typical black plastic air fryer. The standout feature here is the high borosilicate glass containers. They're fully transparent, which means you can actually see your food cooking in real time. That might sound like a small thing, but if you've ever pulled out fries too early or too late, you know how useful that is. The glass feels thick and sturdy, not flimsy, and it handles high heat without any weird smells or warping. The 4-quart bowl is big enough to cook for about 3 to 4 people comfortably. I tested it with chicken wings and a decent batch of fries, and it handled both without overcrowding. The smaller 6-cup container is ideal for single portions. Think one salmon fillet, a handful of veggies, or reheating leftovers without firing up a full-size appliance. What's clever is that the smaller bowl nests inside the larger one for storage, and the heating unit stacks neatly on top. If counter space is limited, that's a big win. The base has a non-slip design, and there's a silicone heat insulating mat included, so you're not placing the heating element directly onto your countertop. It feels thoughtfully designed for real kitchens, not just showroom demos. Now performance, because design doesn't matter if it can't cook. This air fryer runs at 1,500 watts, with a temperature range from 140 to 415 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer up to 60 minutes. There are 5 one-touch modes: air fry, re-crisp, bake, max crisp, and keep warm. In practice, I found myself mostly using air fry and re-crisp. Cooking performance is solid. Wings came out crispy on the outside, juicy inside, and noticeably less greasy than deep frying. Fries had that golden exterior you want, especially on the max crisp setting. It claims up to 90% less oil, and realistically, I used either a light spray or none at all depending on what I was cooking. It's not magic. You still need proper spacing and sometimes a shake midway, but it absolutely delivers that crispy texture most people buy an air fryer for. Noise level is moderate. It's not silent, but it's no louder than most compact air fryers in this category. The controls are straightforward, simple touch buttons, clear temperature adjustments, and there's almost no learning curve. If you've used any air fryer before, you'll figure this out in seconds. Where this really shines is cleanup. Everything except the heating element is dishwasher safe, top rack. The glass bowls, the lids, the silicone mat, all easy to wash. And because the glass container doubles as a serving dish, you're using fewer plates overall. Compared to traditional basket-style air fryers where grease gets trapped in hard-to-reach corners, this is significantly easier to maintain. Now, let's be real about the downsides. Glass is durable, but it's still glass. If you drop it, it's not surviving. It's also slightly heavier than a standard non-stick basket, which some people might notice when handling the larger bowl. And while 4 quarts work for most families, if you're regularly cooking for 5 or 6 people, you might find it a bit tight. In terms of competition, this sits in the same general category as compact models like the Ninja AF101 or the Cosore Light 4-quart. Those are excellent air fryers, but they use traditional non-stick baskets and take up fixed counter space. The Tixixc stands out with its glass construction, dual-size flexibility, and compact nesting storage. If visibility, easy cleaning, and space-saving matter to you, this design feels more modern and practical than who is this perfect for? If you live in a small apartment, cook for 1 or 2 most of the time, or just hate cluttered countertops, this makes a lot of sense. It's also great if you're trying to reduce oil without sacrificing crispiness. But if you want the largest capacity possible or prefer a classic pull-out drawer style, you may lean toward more traditional models. If you're tired of oversized appliances and want something that adapts to your kitchen instead of dominating it, this is worth checking out. I've linked it below so you can see current pricing and availability. If this review helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.